every good thing that you get in life is not something in comes which is it doesn't always come in short packages. জীবনে বড় বড় জিনিস ছোট ছোট প্যাকেজে আসে না. So in today's video, I'm actually going to share a few strategy, few tricks and tips. হ্যালো এভরিবাডি, তো সকলে কেমন আছো? আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো. আই হোপ ইউ অল আর ডুইং গুড ইন ইউর লাইফ. সরি, অনেক দিন হয়ে গেল একটা ভিডিও আমি আনতে পারিনি. ইউ নো আই এম বিট বিজি উইথ এভরিথিং দ্যাট আই এম ডুইং. সো আই এম ফাইনালি হিয়ার উইথ a new video, a motivational video. So today's topic is how to prepare for government exams. So in the last I have been making videos on WBA and AS. But today I thought of doing a video for like a general stream, so that everybody who watches this particular video can actually relate to his or her life. The young age of a person is actually a very what you can call it, it's a very fertile period actually. Fertile in the sense like you are ready to give your best. তো যৌবনকাল মানুষের কাছে একটি খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সময়, যেখানে সে অনেক কিছুই করতে পারে. একটি উর্বর জমির মতন, যেখানে আর কি সে যেখানে আর কি চাষ করলে তবে ফসলটা হয়. তো তোমরাও সেরকম. সো দিস ইজ দ্য টাইম দ্যাট ইউ অ্যাকচুয়ালি হ্যাভ টু গিভ ইউর বেস্ট, বিকজ ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট গিভ ইউর বেস্ট দেন নাথিং ইজ গোয়িং টু হ্যাপেন. সো আজকের ভিডিও শুরু করার আগে আমাকে আমার স্যারের কথা মনে পড়ে গেছে. সো আই এম অ্যাকচুয়ালি রিমাইন্ডেড অফ মাই স্যার. হি ইজ one of the best person that I've actually met in my life. He is Atif Ahmed Siddiqui. And before I begin, I remember a few things that he actually said. Winners don't quit and quitters don't win. আবার বলছি, winners don't quit and quitters don't win. যারা জীবনে সাফল্য অর্জন করে বা যারা জেতে তারা কখনো হার মানে না, আর যারা হার মেনে নেয় তারা কখনো জিততে পারে না. এটাই হচ্ছে জীবনের বাস্তবিকতা. তোমরা অনেকেই অ্যাসপিরেন্টস আছো যারা অ্যাসপায়ার করছো যে হাউ টু গেট ইনটু গভর্নমেন্ট সার্ভিস, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ট্রিক বিহাইন্ড ইট. দের ইজ নো ট্রিক, দের ইজ নো শর্টকাট. সো দের ইজ নাথিং লাইক ইউ হ্যাভ টু ডু দিস অ্যান্ড দেন অনলি উইল গেট দিস অ্যান্ড দিস. নো, ইটস নট পসিবল. লাইফে সব কিছু মেপে করা যায় না. সো দ্য সেম থিং গোজ ফর মি অ্যাজ ওয়েল. সো আই কমপ্লিটেড মাই গ্র্যাজুয়েশন ইন 2014, and then in 2015 I started for what you can say is preparing for chartered accountancy. So I was enrolled into IPCC. I was studying well, but then I could not clear these IPCC levels, and I realized that the hard work and effort that I'm actually giving in can be channelized into this stream of what you can call it civil services. So I started preparing. So but then after this getting into this particular practice, I came to know about various exams that actually conducted, like the SSC, the CGL, the CHSL, the railways exam, the banking exams. Then we coming to the state level service commissions, like for me it was West Bengal Public Service Commission. So I came to know about West Bengal Public Service Commission, then SSC of West Bengal. It used to exist, but now it doesn't exist. And then various other exams. So I decided that I should give it a try, and I should definitely make a note of it and start preparing for my exams. So I started all of a sudden, like it was a new sort of venture, and I failed miserably. In my life I've actually sat for numerous exams. I've lost a count of them. As far as now, I have a record of almost 60 exams that I actually sat in my life, excluding the mains portion, only the prelims one I'm telling you. So almost 60 exams. And from the 60 exams, only a few handful of like 1, 2, 3 or 4 I think I cleared it. So this West Bengal Audit Account Service 2017 is also one of them. So which I cleared, and obviously so after getting the service, like I have stopped preparing for this state level exams right now. So I'm preparing for something even better than this. Let's see if I can get it. But honestly speaking, I'm quite happy with my life, and as I'm actually an officer in the government of West Bengal, which gives me a good pay, and good power as well. So I'm a bit happy with it. But you should not be satisfied in your life, because the moment you start thinking that I'm getting the best thing, I'm satisfied, that is when the entire, what you can call it, the line actually that you say, that the end line is something which is very dangerous thing. Once you end everything, everything comes to a standstill. So that should not be the case. So this video is quite a long one, and I accept it. But trust me, by the time you end this particular video, you are going to realize something very important. Every good thing that you get in life is not something it doesn't always come in short packages. জীবনে বড় বড় জিনিস ছোট ছোট প্যাকেজে আসে না. I'm pretty much hopeful that after you watch this video, you are actually going to think and understand what is or what message I was trying to give you all. তোমরা ভিডিওটা পুরো দেখো, আর তখন আমাকে জানাও যে কেমন লাগলো, কি হলো. আমি definitely try and help you out. So in today's video, I'm actually going to share a few strategy, few tricks and tips. Beginning first with a timetable. So yes, তোমরা যদি পরীক্ষা দিতে চাও, তোমাদের একটা timetable থাকা খুবই জরুরি. Why timetable? Without a timetable, you will not be able to understand when to study, what to study, how to study, and etc. So a timetable should always be made. টাইমটেবিলটা তৈরি করবে. টাইমটেবিলটা তৈরি করে সবসময় নিজের স্টাডি রুম বা যে কোনো রুমে তুমি থাকো সেখানটা লাগিয়ে রাখার চেষ্টা করবে. সাপোজ তুমি যদি টার্গেট রাখো যে আমি এটা পড়বো, আমি এটা করবো, বাট ইউ নট এবল টু ডু ইট. বাট অ্যাটলিস্ট ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ আ টাইম টেবিল, you will at least be able to understand what to study, what to do at least. That is a very tough thing. I agree. Exact time to time timetable, but you need to be in a routine. Otherwise, if you are not in a routine, you're actually going to mess up each and everything. Next being, always try and follow a calendar. A calendar is something which should be kept inside your room. You're going to follow the calendars very carefully. Every date has some sort of significance. Mark the exam dates. কখন exam হবে. Try and make a routine. So what you can call it, periods. Like I will study from this to this day, this subject, this to day, that subject. So in that case, you have to have a calendar. তুমি যদি ক্যালেন্ডার এটা ঘরে না লাগিয়ে রাখো, তুমি ডেটসের ব্যাপারেও জানতে পারবে না, তুমি কোন দিন কি আছে সেটাও জানতে পারবে না. And one more thing, whenever you find any red date on a calendar, try to make a good note of it. Why is this date red? So you have to understand it. You have to get a history of it. Generally, like you get this date of 23rd January. Then you get a date of 26th of January. Why are these days important? So questions can come like this in any exams. Next, after that, in every study room or every table, you should at least have maps. Like if you follow my room, I will definitely make a video on my room of how I studied, whatever I was preparing. So in my room, I have maps. India map and other one being the map of West Bengal. So why did I keep these maps? So that whenever I look at these maps, I'm actually able to understand which state is after which place, which state is after which state, what are the neighboring states, what are the bordering states. Then I get an idea of the roads, the capitals, the neighboring countries, the water bodies. So this is something very important. What kind of maps you need? কেমন ধরনের ম্যাপ লাগবে? One is the physical map, and the other is the geographical map or the map of the physical features. তো পলিটিক্যাল ম্যাপে তুমি রাজ্য ব্যাপারে তুমি আইডিয়া পেতে পারো, আর জিওগ্রাফিক্যাল ম্যাপে কোথায় কোন মরুভূমি আছে, কোথায় কোন কি বলে জঙ্গল আছে, কোথায় কোন নদী আছে. So you're going to get that ideas. This is why a map is something which is very important. Next, when you look into things, you have to practice this habit of note writing. নোটস ইন দ্য সেন্স তোমাকে কপিস বানাতে হবে. যেরকম আমি অনেকগুলো কপিস বানাতাম, ইচ অ্যান্ড এভরি সাবজেক্টের জন্য একটা কপি হতো, ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ নোটসের জন্য ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ কপিস হতো. সো অলওয়েজ ট্রাই অ্যান্ড মেক দোজ হ্যাবিট অফ নোট রাইটিং. তুমি যেখান থেকে যা জানতে পারছো সাবজেক্ট ওরিয়েন্টেড, যেগুলো সিস্টেমে তোমার মানে মনে হয় যে আসতে পারে, অলওয়েজ ট্রাই অ্যান্ড মেক এ নোট, অ্যান্ড দোজ থিংস শুড বি মেনটেইনড very neatly. So next, if I understand this habit of newspaper reading, সো ভেরি ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট, তোমাদেরকে একটা ডেডিকেটেড নিউজ পেপার পড়তে হবে. It can be in any language that you are very comfortable with, but I will always suggest you to read in something which is of English nature, English newspapers, because in English newspapers তুমি তো একটা পুরো মানে you get this what do you call it, you get this entire idea of the Indian economy, Indian politics, and the international politics as well, up to a very large extent. Read the editorials of the newspapers very carefully, because those editorials of newspapers form a very good chance of they form a very good chance of these questions that you're going to get into what you're going to call it the mains exam, especially in case of English and Bengali subjects like that, or any language paper. So that is why a newspaper reading is very much important. If you are appearing for state public service commissions, then definitely try and read the newspapers of this Bengali or whatever state you belong. So suppose I am from West Bengal, so I definitely sometimes I used to read about this West Bengal Bengali newspapers. So that is something which actually helped me a lot. Next was getting involved into a certain hobby. Your hobby can be anything, but your hobby should be something which is very constructive. Like I love teaching very much actually, so that is why I used to teach students, and not just any other students, but I used to try and see that I can teach students of class 6 to 10. Why? Because if you teach students of class 6 to 10 or 11 and 12, so you are actually very much connected with your subjects, and these subjects can actually help and motivate you in the longer run. Suppose if you are teaching a student of class 8 or 10 about from the NCERT books or the ICSC books, what you can get is you can get the an idea of the history. তুমি হিস্ট্রিটা ভালো করে বুঝতে পারছো. সাপোজ ক্লাস 8 বা 10 যে ছেলেগুলো পড়ছে তাদের বই খাতা, তাদের যে কোয়েশ্চেন্স, সো তুমি সেটা মানে ক্যাচ করতে পারছো. লাইকওয়াইজ once you get into this field of teaching and learning, that becomes a very sharp point from where you can actually think and actually make a good number of questions. Next comes the books. Before you begin any exam strategy or you want to study anything, you have to be very fluent with your basics. The basic for any exam can actually be the basic books, class 6 to 10 or class 6 to 12. তো 6 থেকে ক্লাস 12 অবধি তুমি যে সাবজেক্ট পড়েছো, তোমাকে অন্য সাবজেক্ট পড়তে হবে না. তুমি যেটা পড়েছো 6 to 10, এক্সক্লুডিং না, সরি আমি সবই সাবজেক্ট বলছি, তুমি সব সাবজেক্ট রিভাইজ করতে পারো 6 to 12 তুমি যা যা পড়েছো, দ্যাট উইল বি দ্য মোস্ট ব্রিলিয়েন্ট থিং দ্যাট ক্যান অ্যাকচুয়ালি হ্যাপেন. সো there's no shortcut to success, so you cannot do anything like that, but you always have to give in that extra bit of hard work and effort. Right now I'm actually trying to share my routine. So আমি কি করে, like what things I used to do. Almost every other morning I used to have this morning tuitions. I used to go and teach children of younger class, of senior class, whatever there were. I taught students up until 2019, and after that I could not continue with that tuition profession, so I had to drop it. Then I went to New Delhi for studying UPSC. I received a scholarship from the Church of North India, and I was studying UPSC over there. So anyways, I'm sharing my routine. First morning I used to give tuitions, then I used to go to any of the classes wherever I got the opportunity to go and study. Then I used to come back home, a little bit of revision of what I studied in the class, then a little bit of like group study if possible. I used to have those group studies, so obviously with the selected lot, so you cannot sit and study with everybody. And then I used to have this habit of newspaper cutting. So newspaper cutting is something which is very important, because they give an idea of the important facts and figures that are out in the newspapers, and when you cut and keep it, this things can actually affect your current affairs. Before you go to an exam, you just remember the current affairs of last, I will say, 2 years. Current affairs of 2 years are something which is extremely important, because most of the questions that you can see in today's exam papers are actually of almost some are 1 year old, some 1.5 years old. So very few questions can come which is like beyond 2 years. So that's again something very difficult. You should be strong with your traditional GK as well. Traditional GK means something which is like old, which keeps on like which doesn't change much actually. So I can suggest a book like Arihant. What you can say is like the best book. Arihant's GK book, that is something which you can get in any market, or you can get it on online as well. So that is something which is actually going to benefit you a lot. Next comes the book of Spectrum. Spectrum General Studies is something which is the best book I consider, because it's a very lengthy book and it's something which can be boring, but it's worth learning. It's worth investing your time into. This would for maths, always I go for R.S. Agarwal. That is one book that I can always suggest you that you follow that book. For verbal reasoning, for verbal reasoning, there's this publication of S. Chand Publications of New Delhi. They publish some good books on verbal and non-verbal reasoning. So that is something which actually covers all of things. But apart from this, you need something which you can actually study with respect to what you call it current affairs. For current affairs, try and follow one magazine. It can be anything like Pratyogita Darpan, Competition Success, or any other magazine that you want. That is one thing. I'm forgetting a few things. So magazine wise, yeah, that is okay. In this current world, you can actually study it from online as well. You can download various apps into your mobiles, like the GK Today app and all the other apps that you can find. So you can study and make a list of it. Again, doing with the GK, with regard to social media. If you are on social media, very good. If you are on Telegram, very good. You can get a lot of information. But one thing, this information should not be like an information overload, because once you have an information overload, everything starts to fall apart. So these are a few basic steps. Right now, many notifications are out for West Bengal Public Service Commission. West Bengal Civil Service exam is actually going to be held pretty soon, if I'm not wrong. Notification for West Bengal Audit and Account Service was also out, and there were various other exams that were actually out. I think something for SSC CGL is also out. If you want, you people can definitely download it and you can prepare for it. So these are the basic steps. Before you fill a form for exam, you need to have an exact idea of what you are actually preparing for. Read the notification very carefully. Notification খুব ভালো করে পড়বে. Once you get an idea of the notifications, study according to the syllabus that is prescribed in a notification, because nothing is going to come out of this particular thing. Then you have to understand like the gist of the exam. Always go to the markets and try and get hold of the previous year question papers. The previous year's question papers can be like a good guideline. So these are the basic tips that I can say. And always try and have a good company. Mix with people who actually motivate you. তোমরা এমন মানুষের সঙ্গে মিশবে যারা তোমাদেরকে তোমাদের আত্মনির্ভরতা বা তোমাদের নিজের কনফিডেন্সটাকে বাড়ানোর চেষ্টা করে. Never mix with people who actually demotivate you. My friends were there who like demotivated me. They used to say there's no government job. They used to say like তোর দ্বারা কিছু হবে না, তুই গভর্নমেন্ট জবই পাবি না. But I proved them wrong. And I believe that if you are watching this video, and if you have watched this video up to this full length, I'm pretty sure that you actually have a good chance of doing something better in your life. You only have to give in an effort. You have to prove your point. You have to study, and you have to have that guts within your own self. If you people want to contact me, if you want tips on any exams, if you want to know anything more, if you want to know like how to prepare for government service exams, you can definitely try and contact me on YouTube and Facebook. I'm thinking of getting more ways of connecting with you, but it becomes very difficult for me when people come and ask me for my mobile number. It becomes very difficult because most of the time I do a lot of other works as well. and I have to give time in my office and my family and all the other things, so it becomes a very tedious task. If you can message me directly on YouTube or Facebook, it becomes very easier for me to reply at my own convenience. So I hope this is something which you can keep in mind. I request all of you who are actually willing to study to share my videos, and if you people suggest, then definitely I will try and conduct a live session where I can definitely start taking in more questions, so that you people can interact with me freely, and that is something which I am putting it up to you people. So whenever, if you are free, if you want to see something new, then definitely try and tell me. I will every opinion that you say is something which is very important for me. So I will be preparing a video very soon on the preparations of WBA and AS, West Bengal Audit and Account Services. So first I will be discussing the previous year question papers of West Bengal Audit and Account Services, uh, preliminary section. Then I will be discussing about the West Bengal preliminary main exam papers. So definitely keep on watching and keep on sharing this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. Thank you, and all the best for all the aspirants who are actually planning to prepare for government service exams, or actually are already preparing and who are thinking of preparing. So whenever you feel free, whenever you don't need to be hesitant. You people can directly contact me on YouTube or Facebook. So keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you.